Yo, what is going on, everybody? It's your boy Purple Slushy NFT. I haven't made any content in a while. It's been because I got super burnt out making content every single day in January and also grinding a lot of NFT discords. So if you guys are grinding NFT projects, please don't forget to take breaks. This space is moving so fast and it's so hard to keep up with everything. And you feel like you're gonna miss out on everything, but I promise you there's gonna be more and more projects every day. So please don't be like me and burn yourself out. I'm finally starting to get my Spark Pack to bring you guys more content. I appreciate everybody sticking around who wants more content. I saw one of my comments lately where someone was asking, a couple people actually was asking me about new projects and how to find new projects. So I'm gonna try to bring you a couple projects every single week that I think that are going to do good and have potential in the future in the NFT environment or the NFT space. So the project I'm talking about today is going to be called the Metabucks. This project is created by the Jinx. He's working on the Metabucks. You can kind of scroll through his Twitter to check out a little bit more about him. His project is right over here. So if you notice up here, this is a banner that he made for Invisible Friends. It is a Metabuck. If you notice, Marcus Magnuson, the founder of Invisible Friends, also has a Metabuck banner. And there is a lot of people from Invisible Friends that are already in the Metabucks Discord. So I think that this project has a lot of potential just based on the community around it and based off the art. I think the art is fire. And I've seen a lot of profile picture projects, but seeing a banner project is super, super dope as well, because it's always cool to have like a super dope profile picture, but why not have a banner that goes with it, which I think is really dope that the Jinx is doing. I don't believe that they have any sneak peeks right now. So if we go over here to the Metabucks Twitter page, we can see right here the animator is Jinx, or the creator is Jinx and the animator is Selly Clater. You can check out their Twitter over here. If we come over to the Metabucks Twitter page, you can scroll down, you can see one of the animated banners that looks super, super, super dope. So this is definitely going to be a project that I think is going to be super amazing. It's definitely going to be a project that you want to definitely get into. Their Discord right now is private. I can pull it up. I am in there. We can see, pull up their rules: be kind, be safe, no racism, have fun. Every Sunday they close down their Discord for a mental health day. So their community is super, super dope. Everyone in here is super nice. And there's always a lot of people talking in the voice chat. They have Rumble games where you can win Metabucks. I'm not sure what you can do with those Metabucks yet, but I do think that it is a cool unique thing, the way that they are giving out ways to get whitelisted in the server. So definitely be a lookout for this project. I think that it is one of a kind, and I am super excited to see some banner related projects. That's going to be super dope for the space. So this video is really short. I'm just bringing you guys a project that I think is going to be super dope to look out for. Definitely follow them on Twitter. Leave that notification bell on. Till next time, it's been your boy Purple Slushy. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Peace.